This is in our yard every day.
They've gotten pretty brave, though.
Where'd the other bird go?
Because sometimes
There.
she'll just lay here and look at them.
Look at this.
I think she's found out that they're faster than she thinks. But I think she just likes messing with them. It's like a toy.
Look at that.
It's not gone. Thought he had to leave it.
There's 2 rabbits out there. You guys are missing it. 2 bunnies and 2 birds. One. There's the other one. See it? 2 bunnies and 2 birds in our yard.
Yeah,
oh my gosh.
imagine
Here's
how
this
much
one coming right
fun they
up
have?
to the deck. Look at this. Oh my gosh. They're so used to us.
Yeah.
Well, they're a lot bigger than they were.
They had good eating, I guess.
Yeah.
With all this rain.
Yes, we see. We're not bothering you. Oh, he saw. I was looking at him too long. He took off. He's like, yeah, you're looking too long, lady.
Everyone's hunkered down there. It must have something good to do. Oh, there it goes. Now it looks a little bit smaller than that one.
Oh, isn't that so beautiful? Love nature.